morning. It's early in the morning. It is 8 o'clock. So we're going to Home Depot, guys, in Capitol Heights. So we're gonna pick up the early Christmas present for my husband, which is the cabinet tool chest. That is really his Christmas wish, guys, to have that. It's like a tool cabinet. So yesterday, since it was a Black Friday, so we're able to buy online at Home Depot. Previously it was 600 plus and it was on sale for 578. It has a 15% discount. So we're going to pick it up today, and yeah, so he's so happy that he can now have the toolbox cabinet. We arrived at the Home Depot store, guys. So we parked at the reserved curbside pickup. They will bring the item here at the parking lot. Yeah, there you go. Shortly the item will be out. Okay, they're here. It's Husky, guys. The brand is Husky. There we go.
I don't know about the other box, boss. You gotta come back and get that one.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So there are two boxes.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh wow.
This. Okay. Yeah.
Wow.
I think this is the top part.
Oh.
This one is just this part. Okay. Does it say 2 of 2? Okay. So.
Okay, we'll come back.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
Oh guys, so there are two boxes for this. So it's a Husky 41 and 16 drawing tool chest and cabinet. So this is the one, guys. So my husband can put all his tools. So we will come back for the second box. This is the second box of the order, guys. Oh, this is the biggest box. I think that's the lowest part.
It's hands on.
Thank you. Alright, take it off.
Alright, no.
Oh, wow, it's hard. Is it gonna fit? I think so. What is that? There's a damage.
100%. You can tell them, let them know, take a picture of it.
Okay, that's the second box. So guys, we are going to unbox the rolling tool chest Husky. The brand is Husky. Wow, the color is red. It's Christmas color, guys. So this is really what he wanted long time ago. So he can put all his tools. Because my husband is, he knows how to repair cars, anything. Repair the house, so he has a lot of tools to organize in this tool chest cabinet. Okay, so that's the top. Alright guys, so this is the bottom part of the tool chest cabinet. Oh, it's raining today. Wow, it has a lot of drawers, guys. But you can really put all your tools here. How many cabinets? That's one at the top, at the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, this is the top portion, guys. So another drawers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how many drawers all in all? There are 16 drawers, guys. This was the first one, but it's old and it's the small one. So the brand is Craftsman. But it's just like very small. So all his tools cannot fit in this small cabinet. So that's why he really wanted to buy a big one. Oh yeah, there are 13 drawers in this old cabinet. So look at that one, guys. See? Oh my goodie. Look at that. He has a lot of stuff. So everything here will be put in the big tool chest cabinet. There you go. So our garage will be more organized because of this big tool chest cabinet. Guys, so thank you for watching. So please don't forget to subscribe to WowGem channel, guys. I will really appreciate it, and you have a blessed day, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.